Hello, good morning to everyone. In exercise 2.4, we have left only one question. Question number 2. Question number 1, 3 and 4 we have already finished. Now question number 2. Find the reciprocal of each of fractions. First we have to find reciprocal. What is first part? 3 upon 7. 3 upon 7. And after it, classify the reciprocal, whether it is proper fraction, improper fraction or whole numbers. Everyone know in 6th class we have already discussed what is proper fraction. Proper fraction, a fraction whose numerator is less than denominator. 2 upon 5. Numerator is less than denominator. And improper, it's opposite. Proper, a fraction whose numerator is greater than denominator. So first we will write reciprocals of 3 upon 7 is 7 upon 3. We will change. Numerator become denominator, denominator become numerator. So 7 upon 3 now. Tell me 7 upon 3 proper fraction, improper fraction or whole number. What are whole number? Whole numbers are starting from 0. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 all are whole numbers. So 7 upon 3 numerator is greater than denominator. Therefore write 7 upon 3 is a improper fraction. Okay. Same as it is. Rest of part you have to do yourself. One more part it's which one? Part number 7. Part number 7. 1 upon 11. 1 upon 11. It's 1 upon 11. Its reciprocal is 11 upon 1. 11 upon 1 means 11. And tell me 11. Don't say 11 numerator is greater than denominator. It's improper. No. 11 divided by 11. 11 divided by 1. 11. And 11 is a whole number. 11 is a whole number. Okay. Now we start our next exercise 2.5. Look at convert 2.5 now. Now question number 1 of exercise 2.5, which is greater 0.5 or 0.005. There is two method. If you want to compare, you can compare easily. Yes, what we will do? First we will change here. First we will remove their decimal. 0.5 after decimal how many digit? 1. So how many 0 in denominator? 5 upon 10. Next 0 upon 0.005. So 5. And after decimal how many digit? 2. It is 100. Now what we will do? And we can compare two fraction dear if both denominator are same. If the denominator of two fractions are same, so we can say that they are like fraction, and in like fraction we can compare easily. So first we will what we will do? So we will write convert in like fractions. So first we will change in like fraction. So what we have to find LCM of denominator. So write LCM of 10 and 100 is 100. You already know how to find, how to take LCM. Okay, everyone know. Now 5 upon 10 equal to, you want to make denominator is 100. So what number you multiply? Here 10. Here is also 10. So 50 by 100. And second fraction already given. What is? So you can write second is 0.05 equal to 5 by 100. Understand it? Now you can find here, you can write, look at So now which one is greater? The denominator is same. So you can write 50 greater than 5. Therefore 50, which one? 5 upon 10. 5 upon 10 means 0.5. So you can write 0.5 is greater than 0.005. Understand it? This one we have already learned in 6th class also. Second method is here. How do we compare which one is greater or this one? So what we will do? So we will write first. Compare the digits. We will, dear, in decimal, if you want to compare any digit, we will compare their places value. Okay, compare the unit digit of decimals. What is? So first is decimals. 0, 0. It means 0 equal to 0. If both are equal, now we will compare. What is after decimal? It is 10th place. It is also 10th place. Now compare 10th digit of decimal. Now tell me, what is 10th digit of 0.5? 5 is greater than what is 0. So 5 greater than 0. If any digit is greater, you can write. So therefore 0.5 greater than 0.05. It is your answer. By any method you can solve it. Understand it? One more part. Look at part number, dear. Anyone tell me? Suppose 4th part. Okay, we want to do now 4th part. Okay, 4th part is 1.379 or 1.49. Okay, so look at what we will do. 1.37. So 1.37, remove decimal. 100. 1.49, 149 by 100. They are already like fraction. 100. So you can write 149 greater than 139. So therefore 1.49 greater than 1.37. Same as it is. You can do by this method also. What we will do? 1.37 or 1.49. First, compare the unit digit of decimal. Of 1 equal to 1. Now compare the 10th digit. 10th, 3 and 4. See now 4 greater than 3. So therefore 1.49 greater than 1.37. So like this one you can do all part, dear. It is very simple. Okay. Now question number 2. Express as rupees using decimal. Okay. Second part. So what we will do? Can you write? So first we will write every question. We know 1 rupees 100 paise equal to 1 rupee. Everyone know, but we want to change in rupees. So it is 7 rupees. We already know. So we have to change only 7 paise. 7 paise is also given in the first part also. So what we will do? We want to change in 7 paise. So first, if you know, very simple, dear. If cost of 1 pen is 5 rupees, cost of 2 pen 2 into 5. Same as it. If you know how many rupees in 1 paise, so look at 100 multiply paise. So it means 100 multiply another side, always divide. Always remember, dear, multiply another side, divide become multiply, positive become negative, or negative become positive. So 1 paise equal to multiply 100 is here, multiply another side, divide 1 by 100 rupees. Understand it? and we know we want to change in 7 rupees. So write 7 rupees plus 7 paise. So what you will write? 7 rupees plus, as it is, 7 paise. 1 paise equal to 1 by 100, and say 1 paise equal to 1 by 100 rupees, and 7 into 100. Same as it is, cost of 2 pen, 2 into 5, same as it is. So what we will do? So it is 7 plus 7 into 1, 7 by 100. You can write 7 plus, how many 0 in denominator? 2. Therefore after decimal there is 2 digit, 0 and a 7. So you can add yourself. What is? It's become 7.07 rupees. It is your answer. So in every part you will do yourself. Okay. Question number 2 you have to do yourself. Understand it? Otherwise, now one more part you can, if you want to ask, look at part number 5. Part number 5, change 235 paise in rupees. So same process, same procedure we will follow, same as it is. Look at one, we know 100 paise, that means so 235 paise equal to 1 paise equal to 1 by 100 into 2 into 35. So 235 divided by 100, it means 2.35 rupees is answer. Okay. Now question number 3. So you should know always this formula. Okay. It is very important. Now question number 3. Now question number 3, dear, we have to express 5 centimeter in meter. 5 centimeter in meter and kilometer. So first you should know what is how many meter in 1 centimeter. So we will write, we know 100, everyone know 100 centimeter equal to 1 meter. And we want to find how many meter, because we want to change in meter. How many meter in 1 centimeter? 100 another side, divide. So 1 centimeter equal to 1 by 100. So you can change easily. So 5 centimeter. 1 centimeter equal to 1 by 100. So 5 multiply by 1 by 100. So 5 divided by 100 meter. How many 0 in denominator? 2. So 0.05 meter. Now question is that change in kilometer. So first we have to find in 1 kilometer how many centimeter. So 1 kilometer. Okay. Look at equal to 1000 meter. And in meter, in 1 meter how many centimeter? So therefore multiply by 100 more. Because 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. So in 100 meter, how many centimeter? In 1 meter, 100, and in 1 meter, 100 centimeter. In 1000 meter, multiply by 1000, 100. Same as it is. So 1 kilometer equal to, dear, how many zeros? 5045 centimeter. So you have to remember it. Okay. Understand or not? So you write, we know, you can write, we know 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter and 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter. Therefore 1 kilometer equal to how many? 50. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 centimeter. But we want to change 5 centimeter in kilometer. So we will find 1 centimeter. 1 centimeter. So this one, 1 lakh come another side, divide by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 kilometer. So you can find now So look at 5 centimeter equal to 5 into 1 centimeter equal to how many kilometer? 1 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 upon 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how many zero? After decimal 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. It is kilometer. It is your answer. Understand it? Now we will do second part of third question. Look at now. Second part you have to do yourself. You have remember only one thing. Mm mean millimeter. You can write 1 centimeter equal to 10 mm. 10 mm. So you can find easily 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter. Same as it is. 1 meter equal to how many mm? 100 into 10. So you have to do yourself this one. Okay. Now question number 4, dear. Express in kilogram. Now express in kilogram. So you should know how much you have to write. 1000 gram equal to 1 kg. Okay, everyone know? And 1 gram equal to 1000 another side, because we want to change in kilogram. So we need 1 gram equal to 1000 kg. Now we will write 4 kg plus 8 gram equal to 4 kg plus 8 into 1 gram 1 by 1000 kg. So 4 kg plus 8 by 1000 kg plus 4 plus how many zero in denominator? 3. So therefore after decimal 3 digit. So it says 4.408 kilogram. It is your answer. So you have to do yourself. Now question number 5, dear. Question number 5. Now next question, dear. Question number 5. Everyone know in question number 5 we have to write in expanded form. How to a number in expanded form? Suppose it is any number 245.678. So everyone know it is, what is the place value of 5? Ones. It is ones mean 1. 4 tens 10 and place value of 2 is 100. Next after decimal, dear, it is tenth. Tenth mean 1 upon 10th. And next is place value of 7 is 100th. 1 upon 100. Place value of 8 1000th. 1 upon 1000. And how we will write in expanded form? Look at what is place value of 2? 100. So 2 into 100 plus 4. 4 place value of 4 10. 4 into 10 plus place value of 5 plus 5 into 1 now plus place value of 6. Place value digit and multiply by it place value. Place value of 6 1 upon 10 plus place value of 7 into 1 by 100. Place value of 8 into 1 by 1000. So we have to represent in expanded form like this one. Understand it? So now we will do question number 5. Look at what we will do. Everyone know in 6th class we have already learned how to expand the numbers. Only one part. Which one? 4th part. Rest of do yourself. For 5th question, 4th part. 2.04. This one. Yes, it is decimal. What is place value of 2? Ones. 2 into 1 plus place value of 0 tenth. 0 into 1 upon 10th plus place value of 3 into 100 plus place value of 4 into 1 upon 1000. So you have to do right this self. Okay. Now question number 6. Write the place value of 2. Write place value of 2 in every part. Suppose second part, so we have to write 221.37. So we will write place value of 2 is, it is ones, it is tens. So it is tens. Same as it is, you can write fifth part 63.352. So write place value of 2 is, it is tens, it is ones, it is tenth, it is hundredth, it is thousands. Thousand. Okay, it is thousand. Understand? Understand? So it is thousands. Okay, so it is okay. Up to question number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You have to do yourself. Okay, everyone. If you have any problem, so you can ask me also. Thank you, everyone. Have a nice day.